Okay, look. Calm down. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. I'm done with you. Hey guys, welcome back to Breakthrough Bullies. I'm Audrey, and you see Ashley over there playing with Snacks, Dixie, and Darla. If you guys remember, these are our trio from our Beefcake and Zilla litter. That's Snacks right there, so he'll be our up-and-coming stud. Look at how short he stayed. Flip him over.
So you're resisting arrest? You are resisting arrest. I'm gonna have to detain you. I'm gonna have to detain you, sir. Put your hands right here where I can see them. Sir, please. Sir, you're arrested, sir. Please stop. Don't. Gotta cooperate. Gotta cooperate. Sir. You are under arrest. Anything you say can and will be held against you in the court of law. You're arrested. No, wait. I got scared. Ow, Celine, what is your damage? Oh my. You do not act like this. What is your malfunction? Oh no. Okay. Hi, I'm ready. Come here, Darla! You're not Darla. God bless. Hi, I don't want Darla. Never mind. Get on your bed. God. My boy Snacks, he's gonna be a beast when he grows up. Look at that beast. He's gonna be a beast. Look at the camera. Dixie, God bless. Dixie, I can't catch a break with Dixie. You know what, Dixie? Come here, Dixie. Come here. Look at the camera. I want them to see your pretty face. Look at the camera. I'm gonna have to do some serious training with this dog. Calm down. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. I'm done with you. Where's my boy Snacks? Calm down. Now that I got you, now that I got your attention, look at the camera. Look, don't look at me, you bad boy. Look at the camera. Okay, that's it. Darla. Go. Okay, look, there we go. Let me pet your stomach. Please act normal. Oh, get your hand. You slobbered all over me, Dixie. Hey, Mila. Thumbnail. No. Hey, me and Snacks. Oh my God, Snacks, leave her alone. Oh, sick.
Look at Celine.
Damn. Darla, did you do anything besides bite? Oh, here comes another one. Oh my God. They're giving me a bath? Oh, that's so good. He gave me soap. Oh no. Ah! My hands are slimy. And it's windy outside, so my hair keeps going in my mouth. Oh my gosh. That's That's all they do. They don't know nothing else.
At least
We're
they don't
gonna
bite.
teach you to sit. Sit down. Look, sit. Sit. Good girl. Stay there. Okay. I'm Ashley Ariano, personal dog trainer. Okay, we're good? We're good? We're good? Hi, Celine. Celine wants to jump on your back for no reason. They're attached to me. Well, I did take care of them when they were puppies. Okay. 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 You're biting my hair for what? I just put argan oil on it. That's why it smells like lemon. Snacks, come here. Snacks. Come here, Snacks. Come here, Snacks. Oh my gosh. You weigh a lot. Cut it out. So, I see you. You know what? I don't want any of y'all here. Except you, Snacks. Come here, Snacks. Snacks, come here. Oh, he's a good... Oh, you want to give me a bath too? Oh, you're so nice. Oh, how cute. Get out. No. No, I'm done with you. I might have gotten a little dirty.
So Shelby's in her first heat.
Where's Shelby? Right here.
So if you see Shelby and Snacks off camera, it's because
I got you.
Snacks is with Shelby.
She's just a baby. Come here, girl. Or walk away from me. That's completely fine as well. Darla, you'll never leave my side, right? Snacks? Oh, he's a... Snacks, come here, boy. Come with mother. Come with mommy, boy. Don't leave your mother for all these girls. They're going to leave you one day.
Look at Celine.
Celine, come here. You take care of them as puppies and they just leave you like that? Is this... Oh. The one dog I want to come hasn't came. Snacks. He's too busy with the ladies.
Shelby's in heat.
I taught him to treat the ladies with respect and he's going after them because they're in heat. Disrespectful. I didn't teach you that way. I know he looked at me like, no, Snacks. Leave. Come with mom. Come with mother. Snacks. Snacks, I know you're not deaf, boy. Snacks, get over here. They're trying to distract me from Snacks. They're trying to cover up for your brother. What is your problem? Oh my god. I didn't give her no sugar today. I don't know why she's acting like that. I played with you all day today. What is your damage? Snacks, come here. We're gonna calm down. We're gonna calm down. We're gonna calm down. Snacks, protect me, boy. Protect me. Get her. Get her. Get her. She's literally. Oh my god. You're no good. Get out of here.
She's biting your hair.
You're like your father. You don't. Gosh. They're lovers, not fighters.